I'm just going to assemble this portable 14-inch MasterChef BBQ. It comes with these parts. So let's assemble the first part. We are going to assemble this part first. So you get these three. Just unscrew them. We have to take this plate. So you will see this is the upper side. Insert it like this, and then take the screw, place it in any one of the holes, and then tight the screw. Go for the last one. Karo. We get 6 nut and bolts with 3 of these pieces. Now open the lock and place it on the first, and then let it close. Place it here. Just tight it from here. Then place the second. So now we can easily lift the lock and place it here. And then lock it like this. The easiest way is just to push the lock to the one side, place it here, and then place it here. Put the securing bolt and nut. So once it is here, you can secure it by opening, and then completely open the lock. Place the second one. Place your finger there and just third one. Again same thing. We'll unlock this. Place it here. Tight the screw. Lock it here, and then place the second one. There is one more plate we have to install, so that goes between these two. So just place it here. So it's like this. Now take this screw set and place that plate. To install the handle, so you need these things for that, and place this on the top, both sides. So the structure is like that, and then place one here, and you just have to install this one like this, and this here. So these are the two screws. So let's start with the first one. So just place it here and just tight it and tight it. Now tight it again. And the last thing is to install this plate. So this goes like here. Again, use one of the screw and a round plate. So that is done. So this is for the air. So you can just place this one here. The charcoal comes here. This is the air vent. On the top you can put this plate. Here we can close it. It's easy to carry. So this is for the air vent. So adjust the air vent from the bottom so that the air can come inside. For the fire we can use something here. Thanks for watching.